Welcome to Maths and Science by IITN channel. In this lecture, I will be taking up a very good example on functions for IIT JEE Maths, Mains and also Advanced and CSIR Maths and also Maths Olympiad higher level mathematics examinations. In functions, let us take limit of a definite integral. Here we are taking the limit of a definite integral of a function, particular function x. Some function x, fx. We are not aware what is fx. And we are taking a limit of a definite integral. Limit of a definite integral. It is not a straightforward question as a definite integral, it is limit of a definite integral. If limit n tends to infinity, what will be the value of definite integral limit 0 to 1 by n plus 1 to the power of 1 by 3 n of x by 1 plus n cube x to the power of 4 dx, where function x is unknown and we wanted to find the value of a, where this particular value, this limit of a definite integral tends to some a into function 0. What is the value of a? It's a very challenging problem involving series, sequence, definite integrals, limits of a definite integrals, and also finding the value when that particular limit of a definite integral of an unknown function fx is equal to some constant into function 0. That constant value a has to be found out. It's a very challenging problem. Please try to understand the concepts behind it. It looks complicated at face value, but however, it's a good problem. Let us try to solve it. Let's proceed further. What is the question? Find a is equal to how much if limit n tends to infinity of integral 0 to 1 by n plus 1 to the power of 1 by 3, 1 by n plus 1 to the power of 1 by 3 into n into function x, which is unknown, whole divided by 1 plus n cube into x to the power of 4 dx is equal to a into function 0. It looks complicated at face value, but however we will split into different parts of this problem and try to solve it easily. Please try to understand the concepts one by one. Solution. Let us say, let us consider denominator first. Let us try to simplify. Let x is equal to some t divided by n to the power of 3 by 4. We are taking this value. Then what happens here? N to the power of 3 by 4 into x is equal to t. That implies n cube into x to the power of 4 is equal to t to the power of 4. Do you agree? Because n is a constant, that means n some value, it is tending to infinity. N cube into 4 into now let's not do it like this. Let's do like this. X is equal to t by t is a variable n to the power of 3 by 4, that is equal to n to the power of minus 3 by 4 into t. That implies dx is equal to n to the power of minus 3 by 4 into dt. This is the value dx we have got. Let us try to simplify the given equation. 1 plus x cube, what happens to 1 plus denominator? X cube into n to the power of 4 is equal to 1 plus t to the power of 4. It is simplified this way. Dx is so and so into dt, so that what is function x? Function x is equal to, because x is equal to t by t into function x is equal to function into t into n to the power of minus 3 by 4. Do you agree? These are the three things which we have derived from assuming x is equal to t by n to the power of 3 by 4. Just we are simplifying. Don't worry for anything. Now, we have to simplify the limits also. Now let us concentrate on the limits. Denominator is, what is the denominator? Denominator is equal to, in the above, denominator is equal to 1 plus x to the n to the n cube plus 1 plus n cube into x to the power of 4. Let us write here like this. We have written wrongly. N cube into x to the power of 4. That can be written as 1 plus t to the power of 4. We are only simplifying. N into function x is equal to n into function x is function of t into n to the power of minus 3 by 4. Tx is equal to n to the power of minus 3 by 4 into dt. This is regarding numerator. Now, we will try to replace these values in the given equation. Limit n tends to infinity integral. Let us try to find the limits first. Limits are unknown, we will find now. N into fx, n into fx, n into function of t into n to the power of minus 3 by 4 whole divided by 1 plus t to the power of 4 into what is dx? N into n to the power of minus 3 by 4 into dt. That implies the given equation becomes limit n tends to infinity. Now we will find the limits. Don't worry, step by step we will go. N into n to the power of minus 3 by 4 is n to the power of 1 by 4 into function of t into n to the power of minus 3 by 4 divided by 1 plus t to the power of 4 dt. This is what is the given function. Now limits. Let's go and find out the limits. In this type of problem we have to change the limits also. Limits for definite integral. Or we can say bounds. Lower limit originally is 0. That implies when x is equal to 0, t is equal to n to the power of 3 by 4 into 0. T is equal to n to the power of 3 by 4 into 0. T is equal to n to the power of 3 by 4 into x. That we can safely say as 0. Upper limit. Upper limit is x is equal to, what is the upper limit for x? 1 by n plus 1 to the power of 1 by 3. 1 by 1 plus n to the power of 1 by 3. That implies t is equal to, what is t value? N to the power of 3 by 4 into 1 by 1 plus x to the power of 1 by 3. That implies t is equal to this is the x value. N to the power of 3 by 4 divided by 1 plus n to the power of 1 by 3. That is approximately equal to 1 if I remove, then n to the power of 3 by 4 divided by n to the power of 1 by 3, that is equal to n to the power of 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3, that is equal to n to the power of 5 by 12. Please see, understand this process for finding the upper limit. Upper limit is equal to, for t, or t is equal to n to the power of 5 by 12. As n tends to infinity, it implies t tends to infinity. Hence, lower limit is equal to 0, upper limit is equal to infinity in definite integral. When variable x is changed to t, that means the given question becomes 0 to infinity, limit n tends to infinity, n fx by 1 plus n cube x to the power of 4 dx is equal to limit n tends to infinity, integral 0 to infinity. Here it is not, it is not infinity. In the given problem, it is 1 by 1 plus n to the power of 1 by 3. It is 0 to infinity. N of x is equal to n into fx is equal to, what is the value of n into fx? N to the power of 1 by 4, n to the power of 1 by 4 into function t into n to the power of minus 3 by 4. If I am not wrong, let us see. Function, yes, whole divided by 1 plus t to the power of 4 dt. This is what is the given equation has become. In the limit, as limit n tends to infinity, function t into n to the power of minus 3 by 4 tends to function t into infinity to the power of minus 3 by 4. That is equal to function of 0. Are you able to understand this? This is the crucial step here. Hence, as n tends to infinity, can I write this as function 0? Can we write like that? Hence, can it be written as limit n tends to infinity integral 0 to infinity n to the power of 1 by 4 into function 0 divided by 1 plus t to the power of 4 dt. That is equal to limit n tends to infinity n to the power of 1 by 4 into integral 0 to infinity function 0 by 1 plus t to the power of 4 dt. That is equal to limit n tends to infinity n to the power of 1 by 4 into 0 to infinity function 0 by 1 plus t to the power of 4 dt. That implies the given equation is limit n tends to infinity n to the power of 1 by 4 into function 0 into integral 1 by 1 plus t to the power of 4 dt 0 to infinity. That is equal to limit n tends to infinity n to the power of 1 by 4 into what is the value of integral 0 to infinity 1 by 1 plus t to the power of 4 dt is equal to, it's a standard value. It's a standard value pi by 2 root 2. Please remember this. Take it as a homework and solve this. This is the standard value. Then this becomes pi by 2 root 2 into function 0. That means this value becomes pi by 2 root 2 into function 0 into limit n tends to infinity n to the power of 1 by 4. This is the answer. The value a is equal to pi by 2 root 2 into limit n tends to infinity n to the power of 1 by 4. That means it is almost equal to infinity. This is the value of a. In this, what we have done, one is we assumed t is equal to in terms of x. Then changed the upper and lower limits of definite integral accordingly. Again, what we have done, we calculated numerator and denominator in terms of t. We calculated definite integral simplified one. Then arrived at function 0. Then calculated a. That means we have done many steps regarding sequence and series. We have applied sequence and series. We have applied concepts of definite integrals. And we took the value 0 to infinity dt by 1 plus t to the power of 4 is equal to pi by 2 root 2. We used. This is a very important value which you have to remember. Otherwise, you have to derive this value in the examination, which takes a lot of time. Certain definite integral values, it is better to remember them. Standard values. You need not repeatedly solve them in the examination, because it is a part of the question, sub-part of the question. Now, using all these values, we got the value of a. With this, I want to conclude this class or this lecture. And I want to thank you for listening to me, for viewing my lecture. Best of luck to everybody. If there is a value addition to you because of this lecture, kindly share and subscribe to my channel Maths and Science by IITN. Don't only see the solution, try to understand the concepts, and this type of concepts may be useful to you in your examination if you are thorough with them. Different types of problems you try to solve on this type of concepts. Last two lectures I have explained how the integral, definite integral limits to be changed, how sequence and series can be incorporated in it, and also how the variables can be defined and changed for simplifying the given functions. Best of luck to everybody. Thank you for listening to me. Kindly share and subscribe to my channel Maths and Science by IITN.